Hello, and welcome to this video about planning the upgrade strategy for BMC IT Service Management. In this video, we will look at the different factors of the upgrade process that you should consider when preparing an upgrade strategy. When preparing an upgrade strategy, you need to understand and decide on the upgrade path. Based on the path you choose, you can decide the scope of your upgrade, and then choose an upgrade method. Finally, understanding the requirements will help you to plan and bridge the environment gaps you need to fill to be able to use the latest BMC Remedy ITSM suite offerings. Your upgrade path is determined by the version you are upgrading from. Essentially, there are two upgrade paths. The first is an upgrade from a version earlier than 7.6.04, and the second is an upgrade from version 7.6.04 or later. Implementing overlays is the major differentiator between both of these paths. If you are upgrading from a version earlier than 7.6.04, you first need to create overlays to preserve your customizations and then upgrade to BMC Remedy ITSM 8.1 or later. You must review the compatibility matrix to understand the minimum supported versions for the upgrade. If you are upgrading from a version 7.6.04 or later, you can directly upgrade to BMC Remedy ITSM 8.1 or later. Overlays are implemented by default from version 7.6.04 and later. After you understand your upgrade path, you can go ahead and decide the scope of your upgrade. Scope implies the components you want to upgrade. You can choose to upgrade the entire BMC Remedy ITSM suite, which includes the BMC Remedy AR system, BMC Atrium Core, and the BMC Remedy ITSM applications. Or if you prefer, you can just upgrade the platform comprised of BMC Remedy AR system and the BMC Atrium Core. What you choose to upgrade depends on the upgrade path, compatibility with other products, and your business requirements. You must perform a complete suite upgrade if you are upgrading from a version earlier than 7.6.04 or if you want to avoid compatibility complications. The latest versions include fixes for issues of the older versions. Also, even though platform components are backward compatible, if you want to derive value from the latest platform and applications, it is best to upgrade the complete suite. Upgrading the complete suite also helps in performance improvement. You must opt for platform-only upgrade if you are upgrading from a version 7.6.04 or later and you want to derive value from the latest platform first and then from the applications. If you are planning to have mixed versions in your environment, you must carefully review the compatibility matrix. After you decide whether you want to upgrade the suite or the platform, you need to choose an upgrade method. For both the suite and the platform, you can perform a parallel upgrade or an in-place upgrade. In a parallel upgrade, you perform the upgrade on a staging server, then you go live with that staging server. In an in-place upgrade, you perform the upgrade on the production server. If you are upgrading from a version earlier than 7.6.04, a parallel upgrade is recommended. In this case, you will have to implement overlays, and to create overlays you need a staging environment. Even though you may be at the version 7.6.04 or later, if you have to adjust your customizations, a parallel upgrade is recommended. If you need more time for user acceptance testing and testing integrations, you must opt for a parallel upgrade. If you have a small outage window, you must perform a parallel upgrade because your production environment will not be impacted during the entire upgrade process, and the downtime will be limited only to the period where you go live with the staging server. Also, if you want to go live with new hardware, you must perform a parallel upgrade. On the other hand, you can opt for an in-place upgrade if you are upgrading from version 7.6.04 or later. However, you must ensure that you have adjusted your customizations. Also, it is recommended that you opt for an in-place upgrade if you are upgrading only the platform. In-place upgrade takes less time than a parallel upgrade, but you must carefully evaluate your existing environment before you choose this method. At times, there could be situations where you might use a combination of both methods. Such hybrid methods are nothing but a variation on parallel or in-place upgrades. With the path, scope, and method identified, you now need to understand the requirements. Depending on the choices you have made so far, you must understand the system requirements, database requirements, required tools, and the compatibility matrix. As part of the system requirements, you must understand the supported hardware and platforms for the new version. Also, you need to plan the hardware requirements for the secondary servers and the staging environment if you are performing a parallel upgrade. Also, review the supported databases and versions. You will need different utilities during the upgrade process. For example, BPCU for creating overlays and Migrator for Delta data migration. Despite the version you are on, you must always use the latest utilities. And finally, review the compatibility matrix carefully to avoid version conflicts. Additionally, the BMC Documentation Portal provides you references that you must use when preparing your upgrade strategy. The Planning for Upgrade topic provides decision maps for different factors of the upgrade process. These maps are supported by links to related information. You can also download the Planning Kit, which contains the interactive Quick Start Guide, a sample upgrade project plan, and the planning spreadsheet, which you can use during the actual upgrade. Also refer to the end-to-end scenarios for information about the detailed steps in the upgrade process. We hope you find this video helpful in planning your upgrade. Thank you for watching.